There are various types of acne, caused by different reasons. Usually, depending on the type of acne you have, a single product will not treat the acne completely. That is why I advise using 3 to 4 different products with different active ingredients for treating acne completely. I have used this method to treat hundreds of people with acne, and the results are usually perfect. Now, if you are suffering from chronic acne that won't go away, I assume you would have done a lot of research on the causes of acne, types of acne, and how to treat them. For the sake of those who have not already, I will quickly go through those information. Let me start with the common causes of acne. Acne or pimples can be caused by slow skin cell turnover. This is when your skin cell does not shed fast, leaving dead skin on the surface of your face. These dead skin cells trap the oils from under the skin, which eventually coagulate and form acne. Bacteria on the skin, using dirty beddings and expired skincare products, or not washing off sweat and dusts from the face after a day out can make the bacteria that causes acne to breed on your skin. Hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance has been known to cause acne around the cheek and chin for certain people. The androgen hormone is responsible for regulating oil production, and when there is an imbalance, the face begins to produce excess oil, which triggers acne. Although there are still other causes of acne, such as use of corticosteroids, stress and extreme pH, these 3 causes mentioned above are the most common. So since we know the causes, let us move over to the types of acne. The 3 major types of acne are bacterial acne, fungal acne, hormonal acne. If you can treat the 3 acne at once, there is 99% chances that your acne will clear up. Now, how do we treat acne effectively, without side effects? The 2 most preferred active ingredients for treating acne are salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. Using them in the right percentage and proper pH would give you clear skin in no time. You will also need a dark spot erasing agent like kojic dipomatate, hydroquinone or alpha-arbutin, not recommended for acne-prone skin. So here is a simple list of what you need to clear your acne completely, and have a very clear skin fast. Soap containing 1% benzoyl peroxide. You should use this soap every day, morning and night. Apply it on your face and leave for 3 to 5 minutes before gently washing off with a washcloth warm water. 2. Alcohol-based face cleanser containing 2% salicylic acid, preferably with turmeric or neem extract for more effectiveness. Use this cleanser at night, after washing the face with the benzoyl peroxide soap. Wait for 5 minutes before moving to the next step. 3. Spots Removal Face Cream with pH 5.5. The spots removal cream can contain any good spots removal active, and should be used morning and night. In the morning, the face cream should be followed with sunblock cream with not less than 25% SPF. You can get these products from cosmetic stores near you by checking the ingredient list on the label, or you can order from our website. The link to our website is in the description box below this video. Once you use this triple combination I have just showed you, it doesn't matter the cause of your acne, it would clear up within 2 to 3 weeks. I hope you found this information useful. Please leave a comment and do not forget to subscribe, as it would encourage me to bring more useful information for you.